Jeff, how are you?
Good, Kevin, how are you?
All right, so floating shelves, all the rage these days.
Yeah, so we've got 2-inch white oak floating shelves, and we've got sort of a 3-sided section here, and we've installed a cleat on the wall, and that cleat will accept the dado in the back of the shelf so that you don't see any fasteners or no brackets are required.
And they don't want to see brackets because they want to sort of keep this clean look, and you get it with the shiplap. You know, it's sort of a modern look, so it makes sense. This is the shelf right here?
Yeah, so what we got is we made two pieces of 5-quarter oak, and we glued that together.
So you get a nice big beefy...
2-inch thick, right? And then we ran this through the table saw with the dado blade and created that slot all the way through the back and the 2 sides.
Gotcha.
So then after that, to conceal the front, we just applied a full-size nosing all the way in the front so it looks like one piece of wood. We've got holes pre-drilled already.
So these are pre-drilled holes. Are you lined up to hit studs?
Actually, no, because we have 3/4-inch poplar on the back wall here attached to 3/4-inch plywood. So we got 1.5 inches of material back there. All right, so before we put the shelf in, because these walls are finish painted and we've got a real tight tolerance, I'm just going to put tape on either side so that we don't mar that paint. We'll start with the bottom shelf. All right, so these are labeled. Here we go right here, bottom, and this is the top.
So I'm aiming for that side bracket to go right there.
Yep.
All right.
So this thing is very snug. So we're gonna get real close with it. And we gotta go in perfectly parallel, otherwise it'll bind. Okay, you on?
I'm on.
Okay.
Hang on, let me get a little faster. Love how tight that fit is. It is rock solid.
Looks good too, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So that countertop will be the exact same material, same thickness.
Wow, that is a great look. I love it.
So now we gotta do the mantle.
All right.
So similar idea, we want the floating look, solid piece of oak, a little bit thicker, so we're at 3 inches now. So a little different technique. Yeah, that's the cleat.
That's a big cleat.
So we have a lot of mantle to hold up. So what we did was we cut out the backer of the poplar there, and we had a lot of solid blocking. So we basically took that cleat and attached it back to a piece of 3/4, screwed through the back. We actually put 5-inch screws, so we have screws that all the way come to the front of this cleat. And then a lot of glue. We put it back in against the solid block, and we screwed top and bottom all the way across.
So you had space to screw there and space to screw underneath here.
Exactly.
So and now this is the one that's really not going anywhere.
Oh, that thing's not going anywhere.
All right, so let's take a look at what you're putting on it. Oh, that's
so you look at it, and it looks like it's one piece of material, and that's because it really is. But we V-folded it. So this piece is actually 2 pieces mitered, but it came out of the same board, so that gives the appearance that it's the same piece of wood.
And what we're looking at
I'll give you a little better example here. You can see that we mitered these corners, we mitered the back, the front, every which way is mitered, so that this will slip right over that cleat.
Okay. Come to me about 1/8. Get that. Love that look right there, Jeff, too. I mean, 3 shelves on that side, 3 on this side, mantle, everything's floating. Great look.
Yeah, we got 2 countertops to go, and then we're ready for a TV.
Beautiful. Nice job. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.